This is how we started, and this is how we finished.
Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Zephyrhills and we're finishing up this 2-car with optional baseboards. So you can see how we followed the first course of block for the baseboard. Here are some details around the fixture. There was also a stop block here that we removed, and we put the rebar. Actually, we removed the rebar on this job. We're able to, but we put the holes below grade, filled them back in, patched them like it was never there. Customer didn't want it. Here's what those baseboards look like. There was a lot of prep on these baseboards. There was a lot of voids that we had to fill with our epoxy compound. We sanded and filled the control joints. That's why we have a seamless surface here. Part of our process is to fill those. Just leaves behind a nicer looking floor. So there's the baseboard. Then we pick back up with the course of block again. So we did square up and round over the lead-in edge, and I'll give you a better look at that in a second. This color is California gray. Now here's what that lead-in edge looks like. This is the most vulnerable part of a garage. We give a lot of attention to this part of the job. This is the Polyaspartic top coat, UV stable, very durable. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.